Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Atavia, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I got this look. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. So hey guys, today I'm going in with my 252 palette from Coastal Scents, and I'm just going to go in with this really dark purple. I'm going to apply that to where my eyes naturally creases. So now I'm going to go in with this hot pink, and I'm going to apply that directly on top of the purple, and I'm just going to overlap it a little bit. Here I'm just blending those two colors together until I'm satisfied with the way it looks. Next, I'm going to go in with my black opal stick concealer in the shade Toast, and I'm going to use a flat brush to cut my crease. Now I'm going back in with that 252 palette, and I'm just going to go in with a darker pink, and I'm just going to apply it to my outer crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this orange shade, and that's going to be my second color that I add to the cut crease. Now I'm going to go in with this white shade, and I'm going to apply that to the beginning of the cut crease. Now I'm going to go in with some glitter that I got from Amazon. I'm just going to apply that to the outer part of my cut crease, and the glitter glue that I'm using is from AOA Studio. Now I'm going to go in with my Beauty Creations Prime Oil. I'm going to apply that all over my face. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 370 Deep Bronze. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And I also went in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 375 Java as a contour shade. So now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques 405 Insta Pop Cheek Brush. This brush definitely gets the job done. If you don't have one, I definitely recommend buying one. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and set the highlighted areas. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Face Powder in the shade 375 Java. So now I'm gonna go over my whole face using my foundation brush, and with this step I'm getting rid of any dry patches, any flashbacks, and I'm also mending everything together. Now I'm going in with my Fantastic Face and Body Baked Bronzer. So now I'm going back in with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend everything together and erase any mistake that I have made. Now I'm going in with my Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. So now I'm going in with a brown lip liner and a nude lip gloss from LA Girl, my favorite lip combo of all time. I literally use this in every single video. So guys, this is the final look. I really love how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.